Top 20 foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. Discover the top 20 recommended foods for a ketogenic diet by watching this informative video. If you are a beginner to the keto diet, it can be overwhelming to give up your favorite food options. However, once you familiarize yourself with the approved foods and understand the numerous health benefits associated with following a keto diet, you may consider giving it a try. The keto diet not only facilitates weight loss, but also improves cognitive focus, reduces inflammation, and helps regulate blood sugar and insulin levels effectively. 1. Meat and poultry. Fresh meat and poultry should be the mainstay of your keto diet, as they provide ample amounts of B vitamins and essential minerals. Chicken, pork, and beef are particularly beneficial, as they offer high-quality protein, which aids in maintaining muscle mass while on a low-carb diet. Nevertheless, it is crucial to be mindful of hidden carbohydrates in processed meat. For instance, it is advisable to choose deli ham over glazed ham to avoid the added sugars in the glaze. 2. Eggs. Eggs serve as an exceptionally nutritious protein source. Enhance your protein consumption with eggs, the keto diet's superstar. A single large egg contains less than 1 gram of carbohydrates and around 6 grams of protein, making it a perfect fit for the keto regimen. Eggs have the ability to stimulate hormones that promote a sense of satiety. It is crucial to consume whole eggs instead of just the egg whites, as the majority of the egg's nutrients are concentrated in the yolk. This includes essential antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which play a vital role in safeguarding the eyes. 3. Seafood. Salmon and other type of fishes are rich in B nutrients, potassium, and selenium, while being low in carbs. However, the carb content in shellfish varies depending on the type. Shrimp and most crabs have no carbs, but shellfish and octopus do. These foods can still be consumed on the keto diet, but it is important to monitor your carb intake to stay within the limits. Additionally, fatty fish like salmon, sardines and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fats, which promotes heart health and mental well-being. 4. Cheese. Cheese is not only delicious, but it also provides essential nutrients, such as calcium, vitamin K2, and D3. These nutrients are important for maintaining a healthy body. Additionally, cheese can be a great option for those following a keto diet, as there are several low-carb options available, like the blue cheese, brie, cheddar, cottage cheese, cream cheese, feta, goat cheese, mascarpone, mozzarella, and parmesan. Moreover, incorporating cheese into your diet on a regular basis may help prevent the loss of muscle mass and strength that often comes with aging. 5. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are rich in protein and nutrients, making them ideal choices for those seeking a healthy diet. Despite containing small amounts of carbohydrates, they can still be consumed in moderation while adhering to a keto diet. It is crucial to select a yogurt that is devoid of artificial sweeteners, colors and additives. Both yogurt and cottage cheese have been scientifically proven to curb appetite and provide a feeling of fullness. They can be savored as a delectable standalone snack, or enhanced with chopped nuts, cinnamon, or other spices to create a delightful and convenient keto treat. 6. Unsweetened plant-based milk. There exists a wide range of plant-based milk options, such as soy, almond, and coconut milk. It is recommended to choose unsweetened variations, as the sweetened alternatives contain excessive sugar, which is not suitable for a keto diet. Additionally, it is advisable to avoid oat milk altogether, as even the unsweetened type contains a significant amount of carbohydrates that are not compatible with a keto-friendly lifestyle. 7. Cream and half and half. Cream is derived from the fatty part of fresh milk that is separated during the processing of milk. However, half and half is a combination of equal parts cream and whole milk. These dairy products are excellent for a keto diet due to their low carbohydrate content and high fat content. It is advisable to consume cream and half in moderation. These items are commonly used to enhance the flavor of coffee, or as keto-friendly substitutes for small quantities of milk in cooking. 8. Green leafy vegetables. It is crucial to include a diverse range of low-carb vegetables in your diet to ensure you receive the necessary vitamins, minerals and antioxidants while staying in ketosis. Some examples of vegetables that are both low in carbs and sugar-free are cucumber, kale, celery, cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, Brussels sprouts, eggplant, and broccoli. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale and collard greens are especially beneficial due to their high levels of vitamin K and iron. If you want to enhance the flavor of your meals without increasing your carb intake, consider using herbs like oregano, rosemary, cilantro, basil and lemongrass. 9. Zucchini and cauliflower. Zucchini and cauliflower are incredibly versatile ingredients that offer endless culinary options. Zucchini in particular is highly favored in the keto community. One creative way to enjoy zucchini is by using a spiralizer to transform it into noodles, which can be a fantastic substitute for traditional pasta or noodles. Simply toss the zucchini noodles with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and your preferred toppings for a delightful meal. On the other hand, cauliflower rice is a nutritious and low-calorie alternative to regular rice. Just chop a cauliflower head in a food processor to grain-sized bits to cook as rice or mashed cauliflower. 10. Avocados and olives. Avocados and olives, although classified as fruits, stand out among vegetables. Opt for the smooth and rich avocados, which are abundant in monounsaturated fats and potassium. Avocados offer a flexible and nutrient-packed source of healthy fats, making them an essential component of any keto-friendly meal plan. Green or black olives are an excellent complement to a ketogenic diet. With only 3 net carbs per 100 grams serving, these can be enjoyed alongside low-carb dishes such as salads, dips, or even as a standalone snack. Are you finding the video useful so far? Well, the next point will surely surprise you. But before we continue, why not press the like and subscribe button for more videos like this? Do not forget to check out the description box below to get your own custom keto diet plan. 11. Peppers, both big and small. There is a wide variety of peppers to choose from, including bell peppers and small hot peppers. While the small peppers can give a spicy kick to your meals, jalapenos are a great choice for keto-friendly appetizers. Vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, and tomatoes are ideal for the keto diet because they have low levels of carbohydrates. Despite being classified as fruits, peppers are commonly used as vegetables in cooking and are also rich in vitamin C. 12. Broccoli, jicama, and turnips. A single serving of cooked broccoli has a mere 3 grams of net carbs, making it suitable for individuals following a keto diet. Jicama and turnips can be excellent alternatives to roasted potatoes or French fries. Moreover, jicama is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, folate, potassium, and magnesium. 13. Berries. Include berries rich in antioxidants into your diet in moderation, as they have a low carbohydrate content and are abundant in fiber. These delightful fruits, such as raspberries, strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, impart a natural sweetness to your meals. Not only that, but also offer a multitude of health advantages, owing to their plentiful antioxidants. 14. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer a delightful crispness and plays a crucial role in the fat consumption required to sustain ketosis. Additionally, they are rich in fiber, aiding in satiety and naturally reducing calorie consumption. Low-carb options among nuts and seeds include almonds, macadamia nuts, pecans, walnuts, chia seeds and flax seeds. 15. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles are a type of Japanese noodle made from the konjac plant's starchy tuber. They are translucent and gelatinous in texture. Low-calorie konjac noodles have a neutral taste, no fishy smell, and can be easily incorporated into any of your favorite recipes. These noodles can be beneficial for weight loss and diabetes management, as they help reduce hunger and prevent blood sugar spikes. 16. Olive oil. The keto diet benefits from the low saturated fat and high monounsaturated fat content of olive oil, making it an ideal choice. Additionally, coconut oil and avocado oil are also great plant-based options for the keto diet. Olive oil, being purely fat, contains no carbohydrates, making it a perfect ingredient for creating salad dressings and mayonnaise. 17. Butter and ghee. Incorporating butter and ghee into your ketogenic diet is a wise choice because butter has minimal carbs. Ghee, on the other hand, is completely free of carbohydrates. Ghee is produced by heating butter and separating the milk solids, resulting in a concentrated and delicious, buttery flavor. This versatile ingredient is frequently used in Indian cuisine. 18. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Dark chocolate bars that have a cocoa content exceeding 70% and contain minimal sugar are an excellent option for individuals adhering to a keto diet. Unlike other types of chocolate, dark chocolate incorporates both cocoa powder and cocoa butter as key components, both of which are devoid of any sugar. These bars not only possess a substantial concentration of cocoa solids and cocoa butter, but also boast an abundance of antioxidants that provide various health advantages, particularly for cardiovascular well-being. 19. Unsweetened coffee and tea. Zero-carb coffee and tea provide a simple and keto-friendly option. In addition to being beneficial for your cardiovascular health and cognitive function, these beverages make for a perfect companion on your keto journey. Enjoy the comforting and energizing effects of unsweetened coffee and tea as part of your ketogenic lifestyle. 20. Unsweetened sparkling water. In a ketogenic diet, which is characterized by high fat and low carbohydrate intake, individuals often contemplate their beverage options beyond water. Rather than opting for a can of Pepsi or Coke, consider trying sparkling water instead. This carbonated beverage does not disrupt ketosis, since it contains 0 calories and no carbohydrates. In conclusion, embarking on a ketogenic journey involves a careful selection of foods that align with the diet's principles. The top 20 foods to eat on a ketogenic diet is a breakdown of keto-approved foods that can grace your plate without compromising your carb count. Followers of this diet may consume a variety of animal proteins, dairy, vegetables, other plant-based foods, fats and oils from this top 20 food list with peace of mind. This video is not just a list of the top 20 foods to eat on a ketogenic diet, but a roadmap to a balanced and sustainable approach for a successful and enjoyable keto journey.